Yo, what is going on YouTube? So many people have been asking me to create this tutorial today to show you how to get the best Rocket League codes in 2026. That's exactly what I'm going to show you guys. You can get tons of free credits. You can even unlock all cars and exotic items. These are by far the best Rocket League codes for 2026. So before I show you these codes, I'm doing a gift card giveaway for all of the platforms: Xbox, PlayStation, PC, Steam. All you need to do, guys, is drop a like on this video and subscribe to my channel, and that is going to enter you into the gift card giveaway. But anyway, this video is focusing on brand new working Rocket League codes, and it only takes a few minutes to get these secret codes, and like I said, these are by far the very best. I've been searching Google and also watching other YouTube tutorials, and I've managed to find some codes that are absolutely awesome. So what you're going to want to do, guys, is just use your mobile phone internet browser, and I'm using an iPhone here, but you can do this on Android. Just use your mobile to obtain your codes and then redeem it in whatever platform you play on in Rocket League. So go to www.coldcoupons.com. So it's very important you type it correctly, because Cold Coupons is a codes website, and they don't only have Rocket League codes, of course, they have pretty much any other game as well. So to find the Rocket League page, use the search bar and just type that in, Rocket League. Make sure you can actually type Rocket League codes. Here we go. This is the codes page here, guys. As you can see, there are 5 verified codes, and these are all working right now. So as long as you can find this page with valid codes on, that means they're all working. You can get specific things like the Nissan Skyline, you can get exotic items, you can unlock all cars, you can get 25,000 free credits, and the Fennec as well. So I'm just going to select the all cars code for this video. As you can see, this is a Rocket League code, unlock all cars for free. Click on show full code, and what this is going to do, guys, this is going to allocate you one of the valid codes. So it's just going to find one and give you one, and this is working on all platforms, so you can use these codes on PlayStation, Xbox, PC, Steam, wherever you choose to play. Now, because these are limited codes with 339 at the time of recording, you do need to unlock your personal Rocket League code. As you can see, someone's just used one. So what you need to do to unlock your code, click on this button, and you're going to be brought to this page, and it tells you exactly what you need to do, guys. You need to complete 2 of the free offers below, and that is going to unlock your code from Cold Coupons. So as you can see, it says follow the instructions below each app. So you're going to have a list of tasks here, and they're all completely free. You just need to select 2 of them and make sure you read the description, because that tells you how to complete them. They're really easy things like installing mobile apps and playing games and stuff. So I'm going to skip forward. Like I said, I've already done it. Complete 2 of those, and yeah, if you do everything correctly, your code will be revealed in this box. So yeah, you'd grab the code once it is fully revealed and redeem it in game, and that one's going to unlock all cars, but they do have other stuff as well. So that is it. Go to Cold Coupons. Any questions, let me know, guys. But yeah, these are the best codes for Rocket League in 2026. Make sure you like and subscribe for that gift card giveaway, and I'll see you in the next one.